Hi guys, my name is Sabrina and welcome to my channel. Today I have a different kind of video. I have an unboxing video. I've ordered Copic markers. Oh, I have some brush pen on my hands. I've ordered Copic markers and they finally arrived. And the reason why there is a custom docket on here is because I had to order them from the United States. They were by far the absolute cheapest one that I could find. I've tried amazon.co.uk and amazon.de and both were quite a bit expensive, or they would not ship to Ireland. So even with the US, they would not ship internationally, so I had to use AddressPal, and yeah, it worked great. It arrived. I had to pay them on arrival. So let's go ahead and open this box. I've been hoping to get these for months, so I'm so excited. Okay, so this is just the docket, and this is the package. So as you can see, AddressPal did go into the box and they checked it for custom purposes to see if it wasn't anything illegal, and then they repackaged it seems. So, well, they've done a good job, so I hope it's intact. I've read quite a bit of stories of people who, let me get rid of this box, of people who have ordered this and then the plastic case has cracks or things like that. So I hope it hasn't cracked. Ooh, look at this. Copicsketch. Awesome. So yeah, this is the Copicsketch B set that I've ordered. So there are 72 colors in here. They're all really nice. Yay! I'm gonna swatch them as well. I'm so excited. So excited. And the case seems to be like fine. Doesn't seem to be cracked or anything. Gonna put the rubbish off my chair. Yeah, so the case is pretty much pristine. That's really good actually, because it came from the US and then it went to Ireland. You see, I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, of course. See, there is tape on here. Tape. No, it's a bit close to the camera. My camera cannot zoom. And that's because I'm using an Osmo Pocket on the... Ooh. That was just the other tape. Okay, so these are loose. Just put them back in here. Oh, they feel so nice. Feel so fancy and expensive. They are expensive. If you saw the docket, it was like $312 when I ordered it, excluding delivery fees. And I had to pay AddressPal, and then I had to pay customs on top of that, and still it was the cheapest. Crazy, isn't it? So yeah, what we're going to do now is I have a Copic chart. I have a Copic chart and I want to go and swatch these colors and see how they look. So what I did is I printed this out on blending card, and hopefully that will give me the best results. Let's start the swatching. I want to see what things look like. So we're going to start with the BV00. I think it's just a bit too close to the camera there, but BV00. So these are the colors that I've swatched. I've done them in more of a gradient and I really like what I'm seeing here. It's a really good set, really. I'm very glad I chose the B set for this. And yeah, will just give me a great idea for a drawing. So I'd say let's try it out. I'm really happy with the skin colors in this because it actually has skin colors in this. And my touch set that I used before this, they don't have skin colors at all. So it's just great to experiment with different shades and actual skin colors, and it's so cute. And I was like, oh, I'll give her like blush on her cheeks and see how they blend in. And what I did notice is that I don't know if I need to get used to Copic markers because they work a bit differently than touch markers, but they seem to have more... I don't know if I need to get over them a few times or something. Let me know down in the comments if you know if I'm doing anything wrong, but you can see like the patches in them. But I like how they blend. They blend quite nicely so far, and this is the very first time I'm using Copic marker, guys. Please don't forget that. I'm very much a beginner. I'm also pretty much a beginner in using colors in my drawings because usually, or before I started this anyway, I didn't use colors. I've always went with pencil, so they were just black and white, and for some reason that just feels easier. So using colors is new, it's different. You have to work with lighting a bit more to see where it's coming from, and I try to do it more like from the front right-ish side, and I think it worked okay. I have a lot to improve on, I know this, but this is a good start anyway. Like, I already see quite a bit of improvement compared to the touch markers that I used to have. So that's really nice and I enjoy it. Like, I need to work on the hair though, definitely. I need to try and figure out how to color the hair better, I feel. So I'm not like happy with that, but I'm happy with the colors of the marker. So it's not the markers thing, it's just a me thing right now that I need to work on. And this denim jacket, just, oh, I love the colors. I really do. Like, this is such a good set. I have to say I'm quite impressed. Like, I had like high hopes for this because I read so much about Copics and there's so many people using them, and I've been looking forward for this for months, so it would have been quite horrible if they didn't live up to their expectations, but so far they do, so that is great. So I'll leave you watch the rest of the video and I'll see you at the end. So here we are at the end of the video, and just to recap, the box came in perfect condition even though it was repackaged. They've done a good job, nothing missing there, exactly what I expected really. It's the B set, it's the sketch set, they sent the right one, all the markers seem to be in good condition, so that's good. They all seem to be great colors, so I would recommend this set myself. If you're starting with Copic colors, get the B set of the sketch markers, they're great, in my personal opinion anyway. So yeah, I liked the drawing, I liked how they worked, and I'm happy with them. So that was it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget, if you like this video, to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.